Have you ever wondered how sofas are made? If so, this is your chance to see the whole process from the beginning to the end. Our guy is so ready for this project, and so are we. It's truly incredible how he starts everything from scratch. Are you excited to see how these wood pieces will end up looking like? One has got to be quite the hard worker to be able to do this. We can tell that the sofa frame is almost done now. Just a little bit more work is needed to finalize it. Now he's officially done with it. This frame surely needs other parts of it to be finalized for real. He's using the thicker foam underneath and the lighter, softer and more flexible foam on top. Here comes the leather fabric. Looks like this armrest is almost done. We're appreciating this guy's work for sure. The people around him must be so lucky to have him in their lives. After all, foams are placed where they should. It's time to cover them with this stunning leather fabric. We seriously can't wait for the final reveal. He's a detail-oriented guy that wants to make sure this sofa ends up looking great. Slowly but surely, he's entering the final stages of this project. You better get ready for it. It's going to leave you speechless. Lots of stapling going on. The end is almost here. He's dealing with the last step of this process. Just look at this. Can you believe that the guy made it from scratch?